Welcome to Let's Read Mobile, presented by the Boys and Girls Club of South Alabama. I'm Dylan, and I'd like to read to you one of my favorite books, No Honking Allowed by Stephanie Calmenson. Come for a ride in my Dino car. I like to go fast. I like to go far. We'll buckle our seatbelts. That's for safety, you know. Click. We're all set. Now we can go. I love the sounds my new car makes. Vroom goes the engine. Screech go the brakes. Honk, that's my horn. It's loud as can be. Honk, honk, honk. It's perfect for me. Look at that driver speeding to town. Can I honk to remind her she better slow down? Surprise, surprise, I see someone I know. I'll honk my horn and wave hello. That dog walker's leash is all twisted up. I'll honk so he'll know to untangle his pup. See that cute buggy with kids passing by? I'll make them happy when I honk and say hi. That boombox blasting makes me frown. I'll honk and holler, turn it down. A dino's littering, and that's really bad. I'll honk and tell him, it makes me mad. Listen, sirens, woo, woo, woo. A fire truck's coming. It's got to get through. Nobody's moving. The streets are a mess. I've got to honk now. Stego, please tell me yes. One honk didn't help and the truck's getting near. I must honk again, long, loud, and clear. Honk. The fire truck is speeding through. The fire truck made it. I helped clear the way. Can I honk for happy? What do you say? Don't worry, Stego. Take a good look. We're make-believe dinos, and we're in a book. One more honk? One more honk, please. Honk, honk, honk. We had fun, Dino Buddy. Will you help me pay the ticket? And he helps him pay the ticket. He says, I'll honk to that. The end. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to watch Boys and Girls Club live. Until next time, let's read Mobile.